Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's just a classic, somewhat simplistic circular design with a couple of thicker circles here and there. I also played a lot with the dots and tapering just because I saw the opportunity to make this really nice pattern of the 2 dots in the Y in battery, the 3 dots in the R in dark, the K and the D in dark as well with the A in dark to make this really nice circle. It pleases me when I can pull something like that off. Anyway, with that being said, let's go ahead and get to the transcription, how this says what it says. So in the script, you start reading at the bottom and you go counterclockwise, like a time traveler going back in time. And this outer ring is the outer sentence circle, and then we have our inner sentence circle, and that is where you put punctuation. So a comma is this filled in circle, and a period is an empty circle in the middle. So we have our period at the end of the sentence and our comma in the middle of the sentence. And our first word here at the very bottom is where we would start, and it has a completed circle inside it. So this is the word circle, so that would be the blue one here. And then our first letter stem is a completed circle inside that word circle, and there are 1, 2, 3 lines coming from it, making it an M. And then we have this circle, which is a circle on the line of the word circle. So you can erase the line of the word circle so long as you don't have any sort of stylistic ambiguity, like directly overlapping or T-stems with things to make them look like the other word would be a TH stem. But this here has 2 dots, so TH stem with 2 dots makes it a Y. So that would be the word my or my. And then that is a completed word. So this A here, you would assume to be with this word and not this word. Plus, it is a tiny bit closer to this word circle than this word circle. And it is close with that D. So DA would be that there in the word dark. But anyway, I digress. My is our first word. And then we have this next word. Our first letter is this deep divot shape, like this. And there are no dots or lines, so that would be a B. Lines that pass through things do not count. Then we have an A outside the word circle. Vowels are these little guys, and an A is outside the circle. Then we have this shallow divot with no modifiers, so that would be a T. Here's another T, and then an E on the line of the circle. And then we have an R with 1, 2, 3 dots, so that would be the R. And then this circle on the line of the word circle. And unlike this one, I did keep the line inside the circle just to kind of have somewhere to end this line. So that way it wouldn't just kind of stop in the middle. It looked awkward. Plus this thick line and this thin line really help with the sort of layering I was trying to get. And there are 1, 2 dots in this one. And then these 1, 2, 3 dots are for the R and then K and so on and so forth. So BATTERY. So battery. And then we have this word, bottoms here. Our first letter is this I with the line going inward. This S has 1, 2, 3 lines. So is. Here's our next word, L, completed circle of 3 dots, L, O inside the word circle, W, 1, 2 lines on it, and then here's the comma. And then we have an A and an ND, and the A is here at the bottom of this word. 1, 2, 3, 4 dots total on this deep divot, making it an ND, so 4 dots. And then we have an I, line going inwards, a T, a shallow divot, and then an I, line going inwards, 1, 2, 3 lines on that S, just like this S. Then we have a G, 1 line on it, and then we have a E on the line of the word circle, and a T, shallow divot, no modifiers, another T, so just like these 2 T's, except this T has an I in it with a line going inwards, 1, 2, 3 lines on the NG, so getting. And then our very last word in this sentence is dark. We have a deep divot with 3 dots, the A, which we mentioned before, the R with 1, 2, 3 dots, and then the K with 2 dots. So here's the period at the end of the sentence. And we have our full sentence here. My battery is low, comma, and it is getting dark, period. So that is that design. I hope you like it. Thanks. Bye.